Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800. This truck is in great overall condition and well maintained. It is equipped with a fully functional 4x4 system, making it capable and dependable in various road and weather conditions. The truck is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine that provides solid performance and smooth power delivery. Inside, it offers cold air conditioning, along with power windows, power door locks, and power seats, ensuring comfort and convenience for the driver and passengers. Additional features include a toolbox for extra storage and a sound system for an enjoyable driving experience. Overall, this Silverado drives excellent and would make a great choice for both work and daily use. Number 2. 1997 Ford F-150, price $6,985. Shows just 111,000 miles, which is considered low for a truck of this age. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a red exterior paired with a gray interior. Known for its durability and long-term reliability, this F-150 runs and drives very well and reflects careful ownership over the years. The truck maintains the timeless Ford design that continues to appeal to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. With its solid condition, dependable performance, and plenty of life remaining, examples like this are becoming increasingly hard to find. For anyone seeking a reliable and affordable pickup that is built to last, this Ford F-150 is certainly worth serious consideration. Number 3. 1993 Ford F-250, price $6,500. It has 240,000 miles and is powered by a rebuilt 7.5 L460 CI gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive and tow assist. The floor-shift 4x4 system works properly in both high and low ranges, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck has strong power and reliable brakes. The truck features a red exterior with a gray interior and retains its original single-stage paint, which still shines with a polish. It is a solid, rust-free desert truck and a second-owner vehicle, making it well-suited for work or recreation. Recent maintenance includes a new Duralast Gold battery, starter, fuel pressure regulator, fuel filter, and fuel tank selector switch. Upgrades include American Racing alloy wheels, good all-terrain tires, rear airbags, a lumbar rack, bed liner, front and rear tow hitches, and camper tie-downs. Minor cosmetic wear is present, including small scratches, dents, and roof fading. Number 4. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500, full-size pickup featuring an 8-foot-long bed, finished in a white exterior with a silver interior. The truck has approximately 199,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Overall, it is clean both inside and out and has been well maintained for its age. The odometer shows close to 200,000 miles, while the engine was rebuilt by the previous owner. The 5.0L V8 engine has only around 80,000 miles since the rebuild, offering added peace of mind and dependable performance. With its long bed configuration, automatic transmission, rebuilt V8 engine, and classic GMC styling, the Sierra 1500 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a capable and reliable pickup truck. Number 5. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500, equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a fully functional 4WD system. It has approximately 154,000 miles on the odometer and features a black exterior paired with a tan interior. The truck has received several recent updates, including a new flex plate, a replacement transmission with roughly 25,000 miles on it, a new starter, and new spark plugs and wires along with a new distributor cap and rotor. The four-wheel drive operates as it should, the heater works extremely well, and while the air conditioning has a leak, it was functioning last summer. Inside, the leather seats show cracking due to age, though all cushions are intact and seat covers have been added to prevent further wear. The dashboard is also cracked and has been protected with a carpet dash cover. While this Sierra is not a perfect truck, it runs, drives, and rides very well, representing a solid example of classic GM build quality. Number 6. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. This truck shows 108,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a black exterior with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is a 4WD short-box model powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a classic and engaging driving experience. It comes well equipped with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, making it comfortable and easy to drive both on and off the road. Originally an Arizona truck, it has only been used during the winter snowbird season for the past 8 years, which has helped preserve its condition and minimize exposure to harsh weather. Number 7. 1996 Ford F-250, price $6,000, powered by the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine and has 315,000 miles. It comes with an automatic transmission, a green exterior paired with a tan interior, and runs on diesel fuel. The truck runs and drives well, with a fully functional 4x4 system and no blow-by. Everything operates as it should, making it a solid and reliable daily driver, work truck, towing vehicle, or ranch truck. It also features a rear ranch hand bumper and comes with a clean Texas title. While mechanically dependable, the body shows signs of age. There is a small rust spot on the cab, though the chassis is clean. The air conditioning is not working, but the heater functions perfectly. Number 8. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,995, shows 213,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline 5.9L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a black exterior with a gray interior, this truck carries a bold, blacked-out appearance combined with the classic Bubba wheel setup, giving it a tough and unmistakable stance. Despite its age, the truck continues to run strong and loud, delivering the raw V8 character these Rams are known for. It has clearly been driven and enjoyed, but it still performs reliably and feels like a truck that refuses to quit. The air conditioning is present and works intermittently, adding to its old-school charm rather than taking away from its personality. Overall, this Ram 1500 offers high mileage, proven durability, and plenty of attitude. Number 9. 1960 International B12, price $7,900, with 108,000 miles and a factory manual transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a white interior and runs on gasoline. The truck comes with a clear title in hand. Registered as a 1961 International B12, it is powered by a factory 304 cubic inch V8 equipped with the rare factory dual exhaust, and it runs and drives well. The original Holley 2-barrel carburetor, list 4412, date-coded 1961, is still in place, along with the factory floor-shifted 4-speed manual transmission. This example is also equipped with rare factory power steering, adding to its drivability and desirability. The truck retains classic details such as the original AM radio still mounted in the dash, chrome headlight bezels, and chrome door handles. The body is a solid California truck with only mild surface rust and no rot-through. Number 10. 1975 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It has approximately 85,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck retains its original drivetrain, powered by a 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic TH350 transmission. The vehicle is currently tagged, runs with no issues at all, and recently passed inspection without any problems. It was purchased from the second owner, who had owned the truck for around 20 years after buying it from the original owner. Recent maintenance includes new tires and a new radiator. Upgrades include a brand new RetroSound Bluetooth radio with a phone microphone and 6x9 speakers. As typical for trucks of this era, there is some rust in the usual areas.